What's happening, Crypto fam? Welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott, whether you're watching on IGTV, Facebook or YouTube. It's a pleasure to have you here. Happy Tuesday morning, second video of the day this, because I just wanted to talk a little bit on Fidelity. I didn't know if you noticed the news yesterday. I've seen it on Crypto Wizard's Insta before anywhere else, be myself. So, Crypto Wizard, if you don't follow him, get yourself over there. Fidelity will offer cryptocurrency trading within a few weeks. So the Wizard's thoughts are the Goliath asset management firm, one of the largest in the world, has set out to begin offering digital currency services specifically for institutional clients. The move will not only be one of the first largest steps towards institutional participation on a mainstream scale, it's also a very smart decision to execute the services ahead of their competition, potentially causing a chain reaction of asset management firms seeking to offer similar services to retain and increase their client base. Let the show begin. Nice, Wizard, nice. And he's not wrong. He's not wrong. The more this happens, the more it's just going to knock dominoes down, and it's just going to cause other people to jump into the space. Right? Not only that, what does it mean for any noobs watching? You don't really get why was I hung up on Fidelity? Why was I hung up on stuff like Polysign and stuff like that? And it's because it's custody. They're gonna hold it for other investors. It's basically an insurance policy. They're not holding it themselves. The institution is holding the assets for them. So Fidelity Investments, which began a custody service to store Bitcoin earlier this year, will buy and sell the world's most popular digital asset for institutional customers within a few weeks, according to a person familiar with the matter. The Boston-based firm, one of the largest asset managers in the world, created Fidelity Digital Assets in October in a bet that Wall Street's nascent appetite for trading and safeguarding digital currencies will grow. It also puts Fidelity a step ahead of its top competitors that have mostly stayed on the sidelines so far. So as the Wizard said, man, they've took a massive step in beating people to this. Granted, it is in the next few weeks, and we see some BTC investment instruments coming out, basically. So Fidelity would join brokers E-Trade and Financial Corp and Robinhood in offering cryptocurrency trading to clients. Though Fidelity is only targeting institutional customers and not retail investors like E-Trade and Robinhood. Said the person who, interestingly enough, they've asked to not be named when discussing private matters. They said a study released by Fidelity on May the 2nd found that 47% of institutional investors think digital assets are worth investing in. So as I said this morning, there's a lot of not only just older generation people who don't quite understand digital currencies, don't quite digital assets or currencies, whatever you want to call them, don't want to hold them yet, waiting for regulation, waiting for governance, waiting for a little bit of clarity that they've got insurance. So we said we are currently having a select set of clients we are supporting on our platform. We currently have a select set of clients we're supporting on our platform. We will continue to roll out our services over the coming weeks and months based on our clients' needs, jurisdictions, and other factors. Currently, our service offering is focused on Bitcoin. According to the survey, I don't know whether the maths is a typo here or if I'm just missing something, but don't add up in my head. But anyway, according to a survey which questioned 441 institutional investors from November-February, 72% prefer to buy investment products that hold digital assets, while 57% chose to buy them directly. Interesting. So 72 prefer to buy an investment product that holds, so ETFs and all that stuff, while 57% chose to buy them directly. This is about reach, guys. This is about the hurdle to make crypto appeal to more mainstream investors. So it's continued to be played by fraud, theft, and regulation infractions. The latest case involves a New York Attorney General accusing Bitfinex, one of the largest Bitcoin exchanges, avoiding a loss of about 850 million in client and corporate cash. Vancouver-based Quadriga FinTech Solutions Corp, they're going through bankruptcy in Canada. And it owes 115,000 clients, 193 million in cryptocurrencies and cash after the death of co-founder. So if you're in debt, you're not the only one. Some of these guys are in massive debt. So they're going for reach, and it's Bitcoin, and a lot of people watching this are going to be like, oh, where's the XRP one? But they've got to do complete market reach like the internet did, and ILP is now following that model. So it's all about reach, enterprise adoption, institutional maturity, then being able to drip it down to retail investors. It all getting regulated. It's all just one step after another to global mass adoption. It's massive. It's massive. It's just one little domino, and it's one of them where we just have to wait and see now. We have to wait and see who moves next, how often it comes, and then how fast that reach spreads. But once they've got global reach, you will hear them start talking about speed like the internet did. The internet's like, oh, we've got this reach, we've got that reach, we've got that reach. But once the internet was global, there was like, oh, everyone's global now. Oh yeah, but ours is faster, ours is faster, ours is faster. So in the end, like, they're all, this is just investment models and investment tools, however you want to look at them, for big institutional investors to trust the market, to start making some big moves in the market. So make no mistake, when all these ETFs and all this custodial services and all that, when they start popping up for real, like it said in the article, give them a few weeks. So within a few weeks, we expect to see something from that. But nothing major is going to happen off one or two, is it? It needs to spread a little bit. So just give it time, have patience. You know what's going to happen in the end. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the content and that, you take value from the videos, it means a lot, and it means even more if you give it a cheeky little like, share it, and subscribe for the channel for more content. If you want to know as and when the videos drop, you know the script, hit the bell. That'll let you know when we drop videos. You know, live long and hodl, guys. It's just a matter of time. Internet of value being built, Internet of things just sat there waiting to make payments on it. All us just sat there waiting for it all to happen. Just a matter of time. Have a little patience. Just have a little patience. Yeah, love crypto, love you, and we love XRP. Peace.